What's up everyone, my name is Rishab Gupta. Welcome to another jump rope tutorial. This time I bring you another easiest jump rope trick known as a rope catch trick. So let's begin. Before we begin with this tutorial, I would like to show you what this trick really is. To perform this trick, I'll drop down the rope handle onto the ground and then I will give a slight twist to my wrist. And the rope handle will come to me and I just have to catch it. Let me show it to you again. I'll drop down the rope handle onto the ground, give a slight twist, and the rope handle will come to me. I just have to catch it. Now you might be thinking, what is this trick? This is really easy. What is the point of learning this jump rope trick? Now there are times when you're practicing rope jumping and you trip a lot, but especially when you are learning a new jump rope trick. At that time there are two ways to get the rope handle back into your hand. Now the first one is you will pull the rope until unless you get the handle back into your hand, and the second one is that you will just drop down onto the ground and pick that rope back again. These two ways are really slow. The third one is rope catch trick, which I just showed it to you. To perform this trick, you just have to take care that you have to twist, you have to give a slight twist to your wrist, and that you just have to catch the rope. Remember that you are not supposed to use your elbow or bend your elbow like this. Just give a slight twist to your wrist, and that way you can perform this jump rope trick. Now you might be thinking, what is the point of learning this jump rope trick? Is it even worth it? Well, I'll give you 2 points why you should learn this jump rope trick. The first one is it is easy to learn and it will require 4 to 5 days to master it. The second point is that if you are going to work on advanced jump rope tricks like rope releases, this jump rope trick is going to be useful. For instance, I use this jump rope trick in a combination which I like the most. To perform this combination, I wrap the rope across my hand, turn 180, unwrap the rope and then jump and then release the rope from my hand. And right at that moment I have to use this jump rope trick to get the handle back onto my hand and then jump again. Guys, I hope you would have understood the importance of this jump rope trick. It may look simple, but if you got this jump rope trick right, it can help you in so many jump rope tricks which can be really hard, like rope releases and this combination which I performed just right now. And I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. You didn't see that, right?